Young EU cooks with Social Security, pension and employment to embark 1492. 2,800 euros net, Rorros cook. Perhaps when you are a young cook and you're thinking about the future and you are 24, 25, you think, well, what companies should I work for? Cruise companies with no social security, flag of convenience companies with no social security, faraway companies far away from my family, your family. This is ship owner family. Candina is 4th generation, here 35 years today working. Now I'm 59 years old. I can explain to you when I was 25, the most important thing is security for your family, I believe. Perhaps you have a different opinion, but should you be a young cook and you wish to enter a company that has 77 ships, imagine you can multiply how many cooks, because we start 2,800 euros net a ship cook for the Rorros, but there is other 55 units which are Ropaxes. And the number of cooks, I mean, we could really go crazy about calculating how many meals we have to do. But the starting point, if you are a young cook, is the Rorros 25, 27 crew, approx 37,000 tons. All of them have a Wi-Fi and all of them have 10 years maximum age of the ships, very modern ships, so you can really have in your CV the experience. But the most important thing is the social security. After 2 years employed under Italian flag, you can find out yourself. Then you get unemployment 2 years. Then you have the pension after 20 years. And so imagine if I have been 35 years put here, and I have a passion for this. Imagine if you're a ship cook and perhaps you start 2,800, then you jump, perhaps, imagine in your career towards the passenger ships, that's 3,200, that's even more. And perhaps even more responsibilities, because there is 77 units starting the Rorros, and this is a huge possibility for you to have security. Security is social security. If you're a young European cook, apply. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Bye.